It was the first time I showed the film to a Kurdish audience, where the most people are Kurdish, and I have to say you're always kind of more excited when you show the movie to your own people because they know Yılmaz Güney is the best and they love him the most. So you're kind of scared if you did maybe sometimes show some too much sides they didn't know, especially his personal life and maybe too less political life because our people love his political side. But I think after I talked to the people yesterday, I think we did everything right, handling the political, the private side and all, and I think it was very nice and emotional. I think everything what I wanted to show is the people received, and that made me the happiest director yesterday in the room. Yeah, it was full house. Thank you so much to the festival. Unbelievable. Yeah. What I love about the Kurdish Film Festival is that they bring all the Kurdish actors, actresses, and directors, and they always make this kind of space where we all sit together eating or having breakfast. We have already dinner and breakfast, and now when I see one of them, we just hug. You already get, and I don't get it. It's a big festival, but here it's like you get, if you don't have a family, then you get into the family. So that's the reason why I really love to be here. It's my third time, and I hope there will more times to be here. Not only to meet the filmmakers, but to see the films, and that's what the people should do. Because this year, I think even more differently. We have some black comedy, we have of course drama, some very nice short films, love films, and we have a lot of films made from female directors too, which is very important. I think House Without Roof, from Sorlin. I love that film. I watch it again. I think I improved as a human, kind of to follow him because I could watch Yılmaz Güney become a filmmaker, and there was a time when I was out of film school, and I learned for myself for my art, but more as a human, and because I learned that making films is more humanity than I ever thought, and that's what I really loved. The most difficult part was the editing because I had so much material, but the most beautiful side was to meet those people who have been with Güney, and to see in their eyes Güney, and to see how much humanity he got. So, and I tried to put that in the movie. Go out, and I want the audience to go out and look for their own Yılmaz Güney, because I showed kind of my Yılmaz Güney, and I want them to see, watch his films, to read his books, and to make their own impression of Yılmaz Güney, and that's my wish. He was a filmmaker, he was father, he was husband, he was not perfect, but he was a leader of Kurdish cinema.